What's up, guys and gals? It's your friendly neighborhood reviewer here with another video to level up your digital life. Today, we're going to talk about how you can make passive income in the metaverse, and trust me, you're going to want to hear this. Now, I know we all love watching cat videos and epic fails on YouTube, but wouldn't it be better if you could make some money while doing it? Well, in the metaverse, that's totally possible. So grab your virtual popcorn and let's dive in. First things first, let's define what we mean by the metaverse. Simply put, it's a collective virtual space where people can interact with each other and digital objects in a three-dimensional environment. Think of it as the ultimate form of social media, where you can be whoever you want and do whatever you want. But how do you make money in the metaverse, you ask? Well, there are plenty of ways. One of the most popular methods is by creating and selling virtual items like clothing, accessories, and even real estate. Yes, you heard me right. You can own virtual property and sell it for real money. Crazy, right? Another way to make passive income in the metaverse is by participating in games and competitions. Some games offer prizes and rewards for top players, and these prizes can sometimes be sold for real money. So not only do you get to have fun playing games, but you can also make some cash while doing it. And let's not forget about streaming and content creation. Just like on YouTube, you can make money by streaming your gameplay or creating content for the metaverse community. This can include anything from tutorials to reviews, like what we do here on this channel. So there you have it, folks. Making passive income in the metaverse is a real thing, and it's only going to get bigger as more people jump into this digital world. If you're interested in learning more, be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos like this. And as always, thank you for watching.